Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for another plan with me. Today is Monday the 18th, and we're going to do from the 18th through the 24th today. And look at these beautiful rainbow discs. So I thought rainbow would be super cute, but then I was at the Dollar Tree and I saw these amazing stickers. Hold on, wait for it. It's worth the wait for sure. Okay, amazing Dollar Tree stickers. Look at that. Is that so rainbow? That's got all the different colors of the rainbow. So I grabbed out my thin little washies. I haven't used this in forever and ever, and thought let's go ahead and make our week's spread using the Dollar Tree stickers. I've really been enjoying them, and I've had so many. I literally have 2 filing cabinets full of different stickers, many of them Dollar Tree. So I wanted to start using them up and thought this would make an excellent spread. And each of these little crayons are 1 sticker on their own. So first things first, let's go ahead and lay out our washi. Now again, remember I haven't used these in forever, so it's going to be a little different. We'll still get this done correctly. There we go. Looks like I'm going to have a bit of let's see, can I do it this way? It's weird when it's on a holder. Yeah, no. I'm just going to do it just like this. Just like I was doing it. Oh my goodness. There we go. And then I will do the next color down, which is an orange. We're just going to go through all these colors. So if you don't want to see that, feel free to skip forward. Can't tell you you won't miss anything, but you never know. I have not used these washies in forever, but I remember buying them thinking I had to have them because I thought they were adorable. Still think that, so we're good. All right. And let me think, today is Monday the 18th, so it is the official tax day. So everybody's taxes done if you're in the US. And what else? Everybody, Easter was yesterday. Did you guys have a good Easter? I got to see my grandsons. And you know, kids on Easter is always such a great time. Anytime you get to see kids on holidays, there's just a whole sparkle in their whole demeanor. And then when you are the grandparent, oh my gosh, watch out. So it looks like we are going to get all the way down to green. So we're not going to have any blues or anything like that. But that is okay. These colors match up wonderful. We will get to a nice green. that green just added a little something, didn't it? All right. And there's a white one in here too. And if you don't decorate your planner with stickers, you could always just decorate them with just the plain old washi. Like just this alone would be cute, especially if you have a lot of space that you need to write on. So we've got that out of the way. We got our little pile of trash there. And now we get to add these little stickers. And I am thinking that this could be so cute. Thinking about the dates that I need to have things done on. And so I'm going to put this little guy right here. Right on the edge there. And then to balance that out, I'm going to take that guitar and I'm going to put that right here. I love this one. It says create and inspire, and I'm going to stick that one right here. Now, let's go with this guy here. We'll put that right there. I'm going to take these little, what are they? Finger paints. And I'm going to put those right down here with that finger painting. Isn't that cute? So don't be afraid to overlap these stickers. These are 3D stickers as well, but that's okay. And the same thing I'm going to do with this little one here. I'm going to go, and I have a busy week this week, so I'm kind of leaving extra room. So I'm going to put this just like that, so that it looks like that green is going with that green. I'm going to take my I Love Art, and I think I'm going to put it right here. Get that right to the edge there. Now, I do have this other, but I'm not going to use these, I don't think, but I am going to use these crayons. And I'm going to put those crayons just right along here, just like this. Oh, so cute. And we'll have that last one right there. And you guys, that's going to be it. I have a couple stickers left over, but I'm not going to use those. Actually, I may use this little one here for Piano Day. There we go. All right, you guys, that is my main layout. I'm not going to bore you with my other little stickers, but let me know in the comments if you guys like the little stickers, like all my daily stuff, or if you just want to see the main layout like this and be done with it. So this way is much quicker, much faster. You guys get the whole gist of it. So I thought you might like that. So cute. Let's pick out some colors here. We will use our orange, which is pumpkin pie. Let's use, what else? I think we'll go with a Pacific Point. and a garden green. And I think that's what we'll do. Those are the 3 colors I'll be using this week. So, all right, let me know if you like it. Please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. And we will have a great, fun, busy week. All right, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.